Do you know the importance of core muscles? Why it is important? Which role it play in our body? Don't worry, in this video you will get the all things about core muscles. So watch it till the end. Suppose that at a distance you see a short, stooped figure walking with short, slow steps. Most likely, you will conclude that the person is old. The hunched posture gives you the clue. Why does aging contort so many bodies in this way? The reason is that many people, throughout their lives, never extend the neck to its full range, and so the muscles shorten. Long hours of reading, sewing, typing, or standing at a workbench take their toll. Eventually, deposits of calcium salts in the joints complete the process of immobilization. Once this calcification takes place, nothing can be done to reverse it. Fortunately, older persons can take action before it is too late. The best action is regular exercise that stretches the muscles and improves flexibility, with special considerations on the core muscles. This kind of response is relatively important for a number of factors that, when taken for granted, will only lead to serious health problems. What are core muscles? Core muscles pertain to the muscles found at the obliques, abdominals, lower back, and the glutes. These four areas of the body are the ones that usually frame the posture of a person. Hence, a good posture reflects the good condition of these muscle areas. What people do not know is that core muscles are actually the core, or the central part for all the strength that is needed to carry out different physical activities. This only means that if an individual's core muscle is physically powerful, it will maintain equilibrium on the body and will stabilize the system every time the person is working out and moving. Strengthening core muscles. The main responsibility of the core muscles is to provide enough power to the body in order to enable it to cope up with the dynamic challenges of every physical activity that a person encounters. For this reason, many health and fitness experts have realized that it is relatively important to strengthen the core muscles than with the other muscles in the body. Through some series of experiments and research, they have found out that having a stronger core can lessen a lot of health problems concerning posture. For instance, a well-conditioned core muscle can project good posture. It can also improve the endurance of the back all the way through the day. Why? Because muscles that are included in the group of core muscles are actually the ones that initiate the proper stabilization of the whole upper and lower torso. So, for those who wish to know and understand why it is important to strengthen the core muscles, here is a list of some of the benefits that you can use as references. 1. Strengthening core muscles will improve posture and prevent low back pain of the muscular origin. This means that as you incorporate stretching exercises in your routine, taking a particular focus on the muscles of the upper and front part of the trunk, including the abdominal and trunk muscles, the activity has the tendency to strengthen the muscles of the back that extend to the spine. 2. It will help tone the muscles, thereby avoiding further back injury. Exercising your core muscles will strengthen and tones your lower back muscles and buttocks while stretching the hip flexors and the muscles on the front of the thighs. Achieving this state will deter you from any serious lower back injury. 3. Improves physical performance. Exercising the core muscles with slow, static stretching is just as effective in relieving stiffness and enhances flexibility. Once the flexibility of a person has improved, it follows that he will be able to perform his physical activities at a better state. 4. They do not cause sore, aching muscles. Static stretching for core muscles is best for the muscles and connective tissues. And because it employs slow stretches only, it will not cause any soreness, as do the quick, bouncing exercises that rely on jerky muscle contraction. 5. Lengthen muscles and avoid unbalanced footing as you get old. Core muscle exercises lengthen the muscles that have contracted as a result of pain. It also prevents pain from vigorous exercise if they are included at the end of each workout. Health and fitness experts highly recommend starting core workout immediately and repeating the routine at least 2 times a week. The process can be done after the workout or even during the activity, for about 10 to 20 minutes only. Indeed, core muscles are absolutely important in determining the good posture of the body. Strengthening them can absolutely eliminate those nuisances of back pains. Now you get the all things about core muscles and also know the importance of core muscles. If you like the video, give like and share with your friend, and for more tips for health subscribe the channel. Stay fit, live health with Natural Healthy.